If you're seeing the Epic Games error code MD-DL-NR, don't worry. This usually means the launcher is having trouble starting or finishing a download, and in this video I'll walk you through the fixes step by step. We'll start with the quickest solution, then move into deeper fixes if the problem keeps coming back. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is completely close the Epic Games launcher. Make sure it is not just minimized on your taskbar, but fully closed from the system tray as well. This is important because the launcher can keep running in the background even when the window is closed. Once it is shut down, open File Explorer and go to C:/program files, x86 /Epic Games /launcher /portal /config. Inside this folder, look for the file called DefaultEngine.ini. Right-click it and open it with Notepad as an administrator if possible. Now press Ctrl and F to search for HttpTotalTimeout equals 30. When you find that line, change the value from 30 to 500. This increases the timeout and can help the launcher finish problematic downloads without failing so quickly. After making that change, save the file and reopen Epic Games Launcher to test it again. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is toggling auto update. Open your library inside the launcher and find the game that is showing the error. Click the three dots next to it or right-click to the game and choose Manage. From there, uncheck Auto Update, wait a moment, and then check it back on again. This simple refresh can reset the download behavior and fix stuck update issues. If that does not work, go to the top right corner of the launcher and click your user icon, then open Settings. Look for the Use Proxy option and make sure it is unchecked. A proxy setting can sometimes interfere with Epic's connection and trigger download errors. While you are here, also make sure your internet connection is stable. If the issue still continues, try using a VPN or Cloudflare Warp during the initial download phase, especially if your network or region is blocking part of the connection. The next fix is clearing the launcher cache. Close Epic Games. Launcher again, then press Windows key and R on your keyboard. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Inside the folder that opens, go to Epic Games Launcher, then Saved, and delete the Webcache folder. This forces the launcher to rebuild fresh cache files, which can resolve corrupted data causing the error code. After that, reopen the launcher and try to download again. If you are still getting MD-DL-NR after all of that, the final fix is reinstalling the launcher completely. Go to Control Panel and uninstall Epic Games Launcher. After uninstalling, check C:/program files for any leftover Epic Games folders and delete them if they are still there. Then go to the official Epic Games Store website and download the latest installer. Install it again, sign in, and test your download one more time. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem, especially the config file change or the cache reset. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.